Known for its gorgeous mountains, medieval castles, and landscapes unfathomable, it's honestly uncomparable to anything else in the world. With multiple good reasons to visit, from the sights to the sounds, there's a ton of things to do in this unique country that it would take a lifetime to discover everything. So we are here to give you guys a glimpse to one of the most unique travel destinations in the world. Buckle in your seatbelts, gather your travel buddies, and get ready to go on an adventure with the 10 best travel destinations in Austria. 10. Being Austria's biggest glacier, the Pasteurized Glacier is one of the most amazing locations in the country. With a gray lake at the bottom of the glacier, it's unique and serene, with the surrounding mountains just reflecting on that amazing beauty that is the Austria landscape. Nine. It's time to hit the road and go visit GROSSLOCKNER. It's Austria's highest road, which is about 2,500 meters high and named after the GROSSLOCKNER, the highest peak in Austria, sitting at a whopping 3,798 meters high. The drive is scenic and full of picturesque views that will fill you with nothing but awe. Be sure not to forget your camera. 8. Being so close to the Alps, the amazing area of Salzburg is just uncomparable. The breathtaking view of the Alps is equally as breathtaking as the towns with a medieval theme of castles, churches, and even the homes. In this amazing region, the beautiful lakes, serene mountains, and roadways look stunning and unique. With lodges and many destinations, you'll most likely find serenity and tranquility in this region. 7. Known as the infamous Stairway to Heaven, the 43-meter sky-high ladder hangs 700 meters off the ground and is made up of steel cables. And it's most certainly the highlight for any adventurous traveler. The Austria Sky Ladder is a unique experience and is certainly worth the travel. For thrill seekers and viewfinders alike, there is nothing like this anywhere else in the world. Just don't fall and hurt yourself. 6. Being the highest waterfalls in Austria at 300 meters high, the KRIMMI Falls has 3 stages to the waterfall, with the biggest being over 140 meters high. which makes it the biggest and most amazing waterfalls in the country. Hiking to the top of the waterfalls will reward you with a breathtaking lodge where you can even dine and enjoy the beauty of what is the KRIMMI Falls. Five. Often described as the Pearl of Austria, Hallstatt is more like a fairy tale town rather than an actual town because of its jaw-dropping setting and majestic natural beauty. Located between mountains and a clear emerald lake, the picturesque view of the town reflects on the lake. 4. Go ahead and take a steam train up the mountain and experience SCHAFBERG. You can always take a cable car or even hike your way up the mountain and experience bliss. Up the mountain, you can see the one-of-a-kind view from the surrounding mountains and lakes. There are even some cafes where you can have a picturesque lunch and just relax. Three. Being on the Italian-Austrian border sits the ZILLERTAL Alps, which is quite frankly one of the most amazing destinations for any traveler, with a hike journeying up to the peak of over 11,000 feet with views left, right, and center. There's nothing more serene than the ZILLERTAL Alps, and it's just stunning, beautiful, and amazing. 2. Believed to be built in the 12th century, the BURGUINE STEINSCHLOSS is a secluded castle that sits far away from the cities and towns, and it absolutely just oozes out amazing sights with amazing views that deserve the popularity it's gained. Be sure to explore the surroundings as well, with a hike, a drone, or anything you can find. 1. Roughly an hour drive away from Salzburg, the WOLFGANSEE lake is different on its own. With a different perspective and panorama, The beauty of his lake is completely unique to say the least. There isn't much to say, but just take in the beauty of Austria and be happy. Now you're set. Definitely a sight to behold and experiences to engrave in your memory book. These are just 10 of the best travel destinations that we've discovered in this one-of-a-kind country. We hope this insight into Austria has been helpful and helped you plan out your next vacation destination. If it did, then go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more travel tips, guides, and more. With that, until next time.